time. I've been putting it off more than I can count, or longer than I can count. So today is the day I'm going to be working on the CRX. Move that over, we'll grab this big boy. We're gonna be using this to pull some dents out today. I'm gonna try it out. So I've seen Young Static use that, and I'm gonna see how well it does, because I have a lot of low spots on this car. Need to find my body hammer, which is over here. I'm gonna need this. Okay, so we got the body hammer. I'm gonna need my grinder. Where did I put my grinder? Okay, so I got my grinder. Change this wheel out to a cutting disc, well, sanding disc. Don't know what happened to my good ones. I think I'm all out. Oh, this one's a lot better, so I'll use this one. Okay, so I got my grinder. So what you're going to do is you're going to grind this down to bare metal. One of the spots if you're going to weld it, because it's technically a welder. Going to be using this weldable primer, weld through. So I'm going to find where all these low spots are, and I'm going to weld it on there and then pull it out. So things like this right here, I'm going to try to do a little zip weld on it, beep, and then pull it out, you know, because I'm not putting Bondo on that. But I got a lot to do, as you guys can see. There's a lot everywhere. So I'll clean this up real quick, so that way I can see all my lines and see all my dents and dings and dongs and all that noise. And then I'm gonna open up that bad boy and get started. It's a lot cleaner what it was. A little bit of rag, a little bit of soap, a little bit of elbow grease. Now it's time to open up. And here's what your kit comes with. So you get the 2-pound slide hammer, which locks into your little stud. Pretty sure that's how it works. And then you obviously slide it out. You got your big massive boy, your big gun, right? Which has no settings to it. So I think you just press this button here and it welds. We'll figure it out. Obviously, tip for it, and over 200 studs. Got this from Harbor Freight. I ordered it online and it cost me $124. So you don't feel like pulling out a lot of welds or filling up a lot of Bondo. This is your go-to guy right here. So let me get this bad boy situated. Oh, it already comes with a tip. All right. Let me just tighten that down real quick. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna figure this out together, because I'm not entirely too sure how this works. I read the instructions, but so what it's saying is this will be able to move freely, but you put this in here like so. This goes up against the workspace that you're going to be using. This acts as a ground, so when this touches the metal, this will get pushed down, and then you press the button and it causes an arc, which will cause this little doohickey to slide out. Then you connect your slide hammer into it, I think. Yeah. Okay. Where's my camera? Okay. Then you put the end of it in here, and you tighten it down, and then you pull it out. Cool. Let's try that. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna try to film this the best way I can for you. I already put one on there, as you can see. So you don't press the button. You take one, you put it in, right? And all you do is you press it against the car like this. Ready? So let me get you a different angle so you guys can see. So the dent is practically gone. That's amazing. And if I needed to, I could just use a little bit of Bondo. Tyler, can you please stop licking the car, please? She wanted to see what was going on, what all the banging was going on, but The rest you could just, you know, snap off, or if you wanted to, you could just grind them down. But yeah, dude, that's definitely worth it. The only thing that's kind of disappointing about the welder is that when you put this on there, you have to like bring it back in order for it to like lock in. I don't know if you guys can see the little groove marks that are on there, but that's from this. And I've already had like 3 of them snap on me, so this one I could probably reuse. Zoink. But I've already had them snap on me, and I couldn't get it out, so I had to use the hammer to hit this little spinny thing, the little spinny boy, and it took it right out. So cool. That's actually really nice. I like that. Look at how flush that is. Because this was a big dent, believe it or not. Because this is a really weak spot, but this was a really, really deep dent. It even pulled it out from up here. Because this is all thin. Man, I'm just amazed. This is a good investment. Definitely buy it. I am not sponsored by them, but if you want to save yourself some money on Bondo, 200 little doohickeys. Let's try it on this one right here. Ooh, let's do it. So, with that being said, I would highly recommend buying it. So I'm expecting a huge package today, hopefully today, cross my fingers, from MPC. It's supposed to be a huge package. Pause. So just got to play the waiting game, which I'm not really good at. And I'm really happy with that. God, so no dents, no high spots. I mean, I'm gonna need to repaint it, obviously, so this is all gonna get sanded down, but damn, no Bondo on this car. What? Just sand this thing down smooth. Hey. And just like that, what dent? I sprayed on the weldable primer because that's all I have. I don't know if it's still wet. Let me find out. Actually, it dries up pretty quick, but it doesn't feel like the dent's still there. But if I wanted to, I could put some Bondo on it because there's a little high spot right here. That's from the stud itself. I could bang that back down and flush that out. But damn, dude, no dent whatsoever. And now I got all these to do, and then I have all the rest of the car to do. Crap. Okay, so I pulled out a dent here. There was a dent right here. Pulled that bad boy out. Marking where light Bondo will be going. Light Bondo, light Bondo, light Bondo. Well, this is going to be Bondo because it's a little deep. Got this here. I haven't even pulled yet. Still looking for more dings and dents as I go through, feeling the whole car, looking around, because I marked some low spots, but this was at night when I did it, so I don't know if this one is kind of concaved at all, but I'm trying to figure it out and feel it and see. Mostly when you do Bondo work on a car, it's just looking at a side view like this, maybe with a light, and you get a marker and you mark it. And I put L's for low spots. Everybody always asks me, what are the L's for? I'm like, those are the L's I took over the years. So, I think that might be a low spot. That low spot, very low spot, is out. I just got to sand it. If I want to, I could put a nice thin layer of Bondo on it, which I probably will. That's a low spot right there. That could use a little bit of Bondo. This one, I write pull if I need to pull them. So that's it. Pretty much like what I'm doing all up here. This is a dent that's gonna need to be pulled. These are all just rust marks, rust mark. This one's gonna need to be pulled. That one might need to be pulled. That's a rust mark. And there's a dent right here. So I don't know who the fuck got in here with something and just decided to fucking the whole car, but they did it, and so now it's my turn to fix it. It's pretty good. It's better than what it was. This whole thing was pushed in. It looks like somebody just went like this, the marker, and just pressed into it. But if I can draw you a representation of how far back it was. Oh, there's a dent right here. Just put some Bondo there. On that rim, it was probably about pushed in about that much, and all this spot that's darkened was pushed in. So, yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Bodywork. To this side, still got to do the roof. As you guys can see, I was welding it on the inside. I was welding this, which didn't work out so well as I thought it would, but I have an idea on how I can fix this. So, yeah, got a lot better over the time of my weldings. My welding has gotten a lot better. So, since I had this car and postponed, but yeah, I'm gonna get a lot of stuff done today on this. Then I got a G37 to work on today, and a Prelude, and then a few more other cars I have to work on today. I'm just swamped. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I'm tired. It's hot, and if you guys like this video, please make sure you smack that like button. If you guys would like to buy anything from MPC, you know where to go. The link is down below. Save yourself 10%. If you guys would like to buy anything from PLM, the link is also down below. Save yourself 10% using my code LAZYMAN on both MPC and on PLM. If you guys need your motors built, head on over to SB Machine Shop. Their Instagram is down below in the description. If you guys would like to buy anything, whether it's seats, steering wheels, rims, you name it, Montclair, California, OMO Motorsports, their Instagram is also down below. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.